Manual. A writer's set of instructions, procedures, or policies. PowerPoint. A software-generated visual slideshow with animated options that holds a set of notes or bulleted points, an agenda, or other information that supports the presentation.
Okay, so yan. Are you reading? Yes, we have. May anak ka na copies. Oh, ano yung nabasa ko sa cellphone? Are you holding a cell phone? Spin yan. Is she holding a cell phone? Yeah. Miss Suyan. Business letters. Formal. Is it external or internal? Is Miss Suyan present? Present? There. Are you present? There. Kayo nagabasa. First pa lang. Wala ka ba nag-ano? Hindi ko siningon. May nagabasa dali. Hindi na kamo magbasa. Okay? Accepted na kamo para magbasa. Okay. What's fun? Are business letters? Yes. What's that? Permission number? House. Yes.
Yes. 95. Thank you po. Thank you so much. Thank you. 1K. I want 1K.
Wala lang itapos ilan. Graduate na sila last year. Kuha sila sa pira. Kuha sila sa unit. Kaya ko sila. Kuha sila yung business letters are internal or external. Okay ka lang po yan. Do you have your answer now? Listen. External. Okay. So, listen. Para may harap na lang kung maikulit. Dito. Basta sa below. Okay. How about emails? Pwede basa naman, Denise?